job.
I saw
But
many. I
one minute,
saw
sir, 1 minute. Lifetime job is government, but private sector is not lifetime. In this 10 years,
experience is more than better for knowledge.
but you know, sir, experience is very good. But company is not experience; is the knowledge and experience.
No, sir.
Yes.
I think government job is finding knowledge, but private sector not finding knowledge. He finding experience.
Suppose that is
Sir, many
In our
company, many company also joining as a fresher.
No, sir. Still you are preparing for
Yes,
the
sir.
government jobs.
Yeah, I go
Why?
before time. I also preparing government job, but I saw many competition in government job. So I leave
There
government
is a
job and
competition
prepare private sector
because government job is the best job.
job. A lot of time I spend,
Yeah.
but
government job.
If you are not able, then how can you get a job, sir? Even in private sector, if you are not able and you are not get easily private job.
no, sir. In private job, I think very easily to
No, sir. How can you say this? How can many people? You can saw many people not get a job.
in I think in a I think private job somebody sourced and you joined, but in government job nobody's source.
Yes, sir. I know, but according to me, government job is the best job. And even your father is a government job, sir.
But sir,
Government employee.
in this time,
Yeah.
80% government, 80% government seated. Now shifted private sector.
Can you show me 80%?
Yes.
Many, no, sir. There is no, only 20% government convert into private.
You don't listen, Shamida. This is the private sector.
Yes,
This is
sir.
not government sector.
Yeah, I know Samita, but sir.
Half private sector and half
No, sir.
government sector.
One minute, sir. सरकारी समुदाय is half government and half private. But sir, समुदाय मतलब one minute, sir. Plain समुदाय is only one private. सरकारी समुदाय is half 50-50 equal. But समुदाय is 100% private sector. In this time, hospital employs 80% समुदाय, not सरकारी समुदाय, not government.
But sir, I agree. In this time, government hospital and some of the, but 20% government hire, private hire, but 80% is government hire.
No, sir.
Yes,
You don't show MBBS sheet.
yes. MBBS is also
One minute,
government sector, sir.
1 minute. You don't. You listen MBBS. In this time, MBBS vacancy on Samda, not Sarkari Samda, not government.
Sir,
How can say this, sir? Government is best job.
Sir, other MBBS doctors is also new start is private sector, not join this government, but MBBS join this government sector.
1 minute, sir.
Yes.
MBBS hire hospital, hire make personally hospital because dorm.
Sir,
One
sir,
minute, sir.
sir.
1 minute, sir.
1 minute.
Because sir,
MBBS
because
doctor.
1 minute, sir. Indian government MBBS seat now shift in Samga.
1 minute, sir. You know, sir, government hospital 1 rupee charge. 1 rupee charge.
Yes.
And MBBS doctor is checkouts.
Yeah.
But private sector MBBS doctor is 500 rupee 10.
I accepted, sir. But sir, government not. But sir, government not posted MB. 1 minute, sir. Government not posted MBBS on. Not posted MBBS on Sartari because MBBS go other hospital and hire to.
Have you listened?
Yes.
There are many good doctor in all district.
If in government sector there is no any facility like caring.
But nowadays our government take final decision that at one patient, one nurse is compulsory in all.
You know, sir, many people preparing for government job like 1 year, 2 years, 4 years. After that, they will not select. That time, they will. What will you do? But if you preparing for private job, that time you are not selected. But you currently you apply another company.
If you are able to fill the government exam, so you can pass. Otherwise, no.
But
Yes, but you have heard that who leaked the paper has caught.
you know, sir, in private sector you will earn much money. But if,
Yes, I
compared to
accept
government
that.
sector.
Yes, I accept that.
Yeah.
In private,
In-
private
in-
job, listen, my word. In private job, they got high money. But there is no secure. Their job is not secure. If their boss want to kick him out, at same time he can kick.
I think
And in government job, there are many rule and regulation.
Yeah.
If you are not able to do the job or you got accident, then your son can join your.
no.
Yeah.
No,
This
no.
is point. I have seen.
This rule is lost. ये खत्म हो
No,
गया भाई.
not lost. How can you say that? Tell me.
Every field is cancelled.
No. If you are less than 18 year, so you can also government should also give money to your family.
Yeah, I know. Give
Yeah.
money, but not join the.
If you are if you are above the 18 years, you can get job by government.
No, bro.
Yes, you can search and
Sector that your salary is fixed, but in private sector the salary is not fixed.
Tahri is distributed by government, and the glass, plate,
But-
thali, bag, shoes, socks always provided by the government.
But
And the
sir, but sir, in this time, governments close many schools.
Where
No.
you have listened?
This is a process. नहीं sir. Aisha news. Aisha ये news sir. Yes.
Suddenly closed all the primary schools.
Indian governments close all primary school. But sir,
एक मिनट इंडिया गवर्नमेंट ओपनिंग कॉलेज नहीं ओपनिंग गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज इन 18 लाख इन उत्तर प्रदेश चेक फॉर गूगल एंड व्हाट्सएप
but sir, in this time, government close many primary schools, sir. How can say this, sir?
ओपन 18 लाख स्कूल एंड कॉलेज
But sir, in this time, government close primary school. You know, sir. Primary is one word, sir. Primary school study a poor family's child, not a businessman family child, not a government family child. Only one study in poor family.
but
In this time, government close primary school.